Dear students, now in this fine morning we try to do this problem in properties of triangles chapter. Prove that tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2 equal to bc plus ca plus ab minus s square whole divided by delta. So take the LHS. Tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2. Tan a by 2 formula. There are two formulae for tan a by 2. One of which is delta by s into s minus a is one of the formula. The other formula is s minus b, s minus c by delta. Two formulae are there for tan a by 2. Which one is to be used in the problem? If you observe the RHS, delta is in the denominator. So you have to select the formula whose denominator is delta. So I have to use this formula because in the denominator of RHS we see delta here. So I shall use tan a by 2 formula is s minus b, s minus c by delta. So I have written the same. Tan a by 2 formula s minus b, s minus c by delta. If you observe the rhythm here, if it is a by 2, other than a you have to write b and c. In ABC, what are other than a, b and c? So you have to write b and c. S minus b, s minus c by delta plus tan b by 2. Other than b you have to write s minus a, s minus c by delta plus tan c by 2. Other than c you have to write a and b. So the formula become s minus a into s minus b by delta. All the three have same denominator delta. So take LCM delta. Delta, delta. There is no extra. So write the numerator as it is. S minus b, s minus c. Plus delta matches with the delta. There is no extra here. So write the numerator as it is. S minus a, s minus c. Plus the numerator s minus a, s minus b. Multiply these two. And in the previous problems, we multiplied the same. S into s, s square. S into minus c, minus cs. Minus b into s, minus bs. Minus into minus, plus b into c, bc. In the similar fashion, multiply these two. S into s, s square. S into minus c, minus cs. Minus a into s, minus as. Minus into minus, plus a into c, ac. Now the third one, s square. Minus bs, minus as. Minus into minus, plus a into b, ab. The denominator is delta. If you observe s squares, how many s squares are there? 3 s squares are there. S square plus s square plus s square. So 3s square. Minus as minus as minus 2as. Minus bs minus bs minus 2bs. Minus cs minus cs minus 2cs. And the remaining are ab plus bc plus Ca by delta. Here 3s square minus, in these 3 we can take minus 2s common because all the 3 terms are having minus 2s. So take minus 2s common. The remaining are a. If you take minus common, the remaining is plus. So plus 2s is under common, so the remaining is plus b. Minus is taken as common, remaining symbol is plus. 2s is under common, the remaining is c. So minus 2s into a plus b plus c plus the remaining ab plus bc plus ca. In plus we can write any order, ab plus bc plus ca. I have changed the order, ab plus ca plus bc. We can write ab plus bc plus ca by delta. So 3s square minus 2s into a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is 2s plus ab plus bc plus ca by delta. Two s into 2s, 4s square. 2 2s are 4, s into s, s square. So 4s square. 3s square minus 4s square is minus s square. Minus s square. The remaining terms ab plus bc plus ca minus s square by delta, which is our required RHS. Hence the problem is over. Here it is little easy to select the reliable formula. Of the two, which one is to be used? If you see the RHS, you can clearly identify that denominator has delta. So in the formula also you have denominator delta, which means this answer is derived from this formula s minus b, s minus c by delta. So in the problem I have used this formula instead of this. Hence problem is over.